So let's get to it, man.
Yeah.
This is a nice cop. I'm very, very excited about these.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and open it up.
Yeah.
Pause.
The packaging is incredible, man.
Packaging is
Packaging
actual
is incredible.
stickers
Oh, word. Yeah.
on the boxes of these joints.
That's tough.
You know what I'm saying?
Actually, I'm going to slide it back some so it can rest on the wall
There you go.
man. That
Yeah,
sound
get that
right.
Jordan sign
Yeah,
up
the
there.
packaging is dope, man. Mm-hmm. I mean, I'll let you say what they are before I kind of
Well,
read off the card.
these are the. It's an interesting story. Do you know about the airship?
Not really. Not that much about the sneaker.
So these are the Jordan airship, which I'm putting quotes around that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because the airship was the actual first sneaker that they pitched to Jordan,
Is that what it is?
which was really just a play on the Air Force One. They just made some changes to
It
it.
looks a lot like it. That's
Right.
what I always thought. I always thought it was a bootleg high top Air Force One.
Right. So that's what he actually wore. So the band, black and red band,
Yeah.
is not an actual Jordan 1. It's an
It's
airship.
an airship.
The actual Jordan 1s didn't come till after that.
Wow.
But
I didn't know that.
they say band and they had the red and black Jordan
Absolutely.
1s, but it was actually an airship.
Now they've come out with a couple of these, a couple of different. I will have a conversation about these in a moment.
Okay.
My experience with these, not with these, but about these.
Yes, indeed.
They've been coming out with these. There was a white and gray pair. There was a white and red pair, and then Denise popped up.
Yeah. They're beautiful.
These are incredible.
Incredible sneakers.
Now
Son.
I'll tell you two things. The reason I didn't get them, or didn't look to get them, there were two reasons. One, I assumed that I couldn't fit them. We've got the Wide Foot Chronicles. I am the Wide
Foot Chronicles.
I am the wide foot representative for all individuals. Secondly, as we debuted on the last pod, the Tiffany colored Air Max that I bought are literally the same colors, gray, white, and this.
Right.
It's a completely different look and different vibe altogether.
Yeah.
But these are dope. And when you hit me up and said we need to shoot, I just picked up something on my way back.
I'm on my way from shout out to Major.
Shout out.
Shout out to Ducky and Major. You know what I'm saying?
As per usual.
Yes, per usual. I went over there and grabbed these in the middle of my day.
Yeah.
And it had to happen, man. It had to happen.
So I am an actual supporter of corporate. I've been to their store a bunch of times.
I figured you was gonna say that.
Yeah, so I've got sweatshirts from them.
What city again?
It's in Cincinnati.
Cincinnati.
Yeah, and my cousin
I was
lives out
looking
in
it up just now.
Westchester. He lives out in He lives out in Westchester. And every time I've gone out there, he didn't. I mean, he doesn't need to know, but he didn't know the store existed. I had been following them for a while because for years, and then when I first went out there, I was like, yo, let me stop through there. So it's a nice little small sneaker boutique. It's super dope. You know what I mean? They've got great customer service. It's a tough situation in there. But that's their response. So one time I was wearing a sweatshirt at Major, and Ducky was like, as per usual.
That's my guy.
That's my guy. Right? Now, obviously, they've got a whole thing on their page.
Yeah.
Gifting Ducky his pair.
Oh, dope. These.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
dope.
Because they sent them out first on some friends and family action.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Yeah.
These are incredible, man.
Son, they are
These are
crazy, son.
Incredible.
A beautiful. I had to put the green in one, the white in the other to see which one, but I probably just rock them like that.
Now you can't take them out.
Yeah, I probably just rock them
Now
like
you
that.
just can't leave.
Man, I was like, when I saw them when Major posted them to their page, maybe it was Ducky who posted them to his page, one or the other. I was like, what is this?
Yeah.
So made it happen.
Let me get to it.
Just had to get to it. Got it.
All right, so let me say one thing. I've got a question to ask. Are you going to leave what's your plans for the tag?
I don't know yet. Because it belongs there.
It does.
You know what I'm saying? But I'm not a leave stuff on things kind of guy.
And it's so close to the StockX thing that
right, which
people leave.
Yeah, yeah.
Not in any way, shape,
No
or
comparison,
form
but yes,
diminishing this.
Yeah.
I'm just saying what it's close to. However, it's so tough, B. It's so.
It'll probably stay on there, man. Because what do you think? I'm gonna wear these things a couple times over a span of a year, maybe once or twice. Why not leave them on there? They should just the nappy suede.
We got to get it. We got to get into it.
Yeah, you
at
got to
some
get to the
point.
details.
We got to get into it. I will do my quintessential color count.
Right.
It's important. We only have 3 colors.
Yeah.
But we've got 3 different textures within the same color.
Yes.
So
Which gives you a different shade of it.
right, which almost is this. Does this double as like a? Does this have like? It doesn't have a 3M. It almost feels like what normally 3M stuff feel like, but it isn't.
No, it's not 3M.
Right. So this is the Nubuck thing we were just talking about.
This is Nubuck.
This is Nubuck.
This is Nubuck. Yep, this is Nubuck. Around the ankle here, the swoosh and the front.
Yeah.
Mint.
It's mint.
It's mint green.
Then you got this purposefully nappy, distressed suede.
I love nappy suede. I swear to God, it is. I'm so happy and excited
Very
about
dope.
these sneakers.
They did a good job with
crushed
leaving the white and the gray in slight spaces. The upper and the lower midsoles or sole is the white with the gray, but then on the tongue, it has the white tongue with just the gray writing.
The gray Nike.
That bottom on the back is nuts.
It's nuts, yo.
Nuts.
And there's no Jordan branding on this sneaker.
At all.
Because it didn't exist
I was about to
yet.
say, it's not on any of the airships.
No, I'm just saying in general. I'm
But
just
it
saying
didn't exist.
airship. Yeah, it didn't exist yet.
It didn't exist.
You know what I'm saying? When you think about the story.
Yeah. And then, but this white underneath is almost like it's not plastic, but it's like a, what's that? Patent leather.
Yeah, it's like a patent leather.
It's like patent
you can see
leather
the shine.
underneath.
I just noticed that just now.
Yeah.
Because the light is bouncing off.
So that's patent leather underneath. The bottom is obviously stitched in gray.
Yep.
Oh, there's some really dope things here.
Oh yeah, and this one has something on the inside.
Yeah. So this one has For the City with I forget the kid's name that owns
Corporate.
Owns corporate, but that's his signature.
Okay.
Inside of it.
All right.
So it says For the City stitched in there. They put the size. Is that the size? That's the size.
Yeah, the size is up there.
Up here.
Yeah, and it's in the regular places too.
It is,
but for some reason they put it up there.
That's a nice little touch right
These little things, man. The little things.
You can't go back to just one color string.
No, I'm not. It's gonna be just like that. I'm gonna freak them just like that.
Man.
Even when I was there talking to Ducky, he was like, "Oh, they look even better with the green, with the green string." I said, "Oh, they come with another string." So I went in there and I was like, "I think I'm gonna probably do both." And he was like, "Okay, yeah."
There's some room. You could.
He said you could put both in there if you wanted to. He said same thing. Yo, the minds.
Just about to say, you could do that.
That's exactly where you was going.
You could mess around and order a gray string and just toss that through. Or if you really got funky, you could, and you're the king of restringing a sneaker.
I restring. Not only will I restring a sneaker, I will arrange your album that you came out
Every
with.
single time.
The album doesn't sound right. I will resequence. I will resequence your album.
Never listen to an album and then get in the car with Brock.
And believe
you'll be
me,
like, wait, this song doesn't come after that. It does on my copy.
And believe me, it's better.
It's better. These are amazing. Oh, the corporate is stitched in the bottom, the bottom heel.
Yes. Yep.
These are absolutely amazing.
They are absolutely amazing, son.
Yeah.
I'm in love with these drinks. Beautiful sneaker.
These are amazing. These are. So while I was there, of course, I knew what you picked up.
You already
There's no fans about it.
I saw you like the post, and I commented on the post. I don't know if you saw that or not. Probably not. But I was like, it's all out at this point.
We know what it is. And then while I was there, I was, of course, Duck always knows, but he will forget. Ducky will forget. He was like, you know, Brock was just here yesterday. He was like, no, what he said, he was like, I saw you and Brock in the same 2 days. Like, what are the odds of that? I was like,
it's the sneaker wars going on.
he just chuckled. Like, hey, you know what he picked up? I was like, those.
Yeah,
like,
they were sitting right there.
They're sitting right there.
I almost wanted to tell them, yo, just put these joints away, son. Just put them away. Just put them away. You know what I mean?
Man, these are incredible. The packaging is nuts. Inside of the box,
I'm not getting rid of
the
this
box itself.
Yeah, I'm not getting rid of this box.
There's some boxes you can't.
Yeah, I'm gonna stack this right along with my
I've got a few joints where I just had to keep the box because of all that went into it.
Yeah. My Adidas Bapes, I kept the box in there.
You can't get rid of that.
Can't get rid of that box.
Put that in the trash? Who are you?
No way.
What kind of human being? Can we look at that real quick?
Yeah, go for it.
What is on the? What is this? Oh, there's some artwork on it.
Yeah, it's all artwork. You can see the.
Oh, that's
statues.
that. It's like a statue.
Yeah, it's a statue. It's a statue. The whole thing is a statue.
That's dope.
Yeah, that's dope.
That's really dope.
They crushed that, yo.
That's a statue in there.
Yeah, you got shit
and there's even written stuff in there?
Yeah, they got shit on the box, too.
Okay. Yeah, they left no stone unturned.
Nope.
At all.
Nope.
Yeah,
Heat, man. Heat.
These are incredible. No ifs, ands, or buts about it, man.
I'm excited. I don't even know what I'm going to do with them yet. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. You figure it out. You got nothing but time.
Yeah, because
space and opportunity.
I don't know. Do you know if they release anywhere else around the city, around the area? Yeah, I think
no.
He only had one pair, each size.
Yeah.
So it's not like this is a sticker you're just gonna see around like that.
No, you're not going to the mall and seeing these. And he only sent them to specific individuals in specific cities.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta put some legwork in.
Yo, corporate.
Well done.
Ooh.
I'll be in Cincinnati for Thanksgiving, corporate. Treat me right.
Mean. I might have to come out to Cincinnati just for that. Yeah. Well, besides going to see my guy, of course.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna leave these there, and I'm gonna go ahead and.